Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, and with all that being said, just taking a quick look at XRP on our daily time frame. As you can see in our local area, still very much putting in a little bit of a range, to be fair. You can see this range low down here still holding. This range high is yet to be retested over the past few weeks. You can see bouncing sideways, actually a little bit of an ascending support there, which I didn't notice, but we came down, obviously retested that low, still sitting at this overall massive level of support for XRP. As you can see, in and around that support level. Are we going to break down and see some huge liquidation like we've seen for quite a few altcoins? Been getting absolutely slammed recently with the sideways action that we've been seeing for Bitcoin. You can see here XRP not doing too much different, to be honest. Very simple, really, just been going sideways, waiting for Bitcoin to make a big move in either direction. A lot of altcoins continuing to bleed to the downside, but XRP actually just being kind of boring and sideways at the minute. We'll see what we can do over the next few weeks, provided that Bitcoin behaves. If Bitcoin starts to go up, XRP is going to go up. If Bitcoin continues to go sideways, we could see XRP losing some support, potentially heading down for a big retest down here at that 0.38 Fibonacci, down at around 41-42 cents. But right now at that big fat level of support, and I'd be expecting a bounce pretty soon, in my opinion.